this lens clean? I hope it's clean. We're about 3 inches. What's an inch? 16 millimeters, I think, of rain. 3 inches, 40. That's 40 millimeters of rain. But that was 2 days ago. Thought let's come and have a look, see what impact it's maybe had here. Definitely a little bit more water. Little bit more water than last time I was here. And I haven't disappeared. Been a long while since quite a while since I've made any little video or gone for a walk in the mountain. But I've got good news. This coming weekend, if all goes well, we're going for a walk on the Four Passes Trail that nobody has done yet. It's just a sign that everybody keeps seeing, and it's there. Nobody has done it, and it's probably only going to be myself and 2 other women. Definitely 1 woman, maybe a second one, and we're just going to go and check it out. That should be either Saturday or Sunday. Some trail runner just came past me, full speed. How's it? How's it? I said, all right, and you? With his Alsatian. I thought that Alsatian better not go for me. 5 o'clock. 5 p.m. No fancy editing in this one. May as well record it, man. It's been forever since, it feels like it's been forever. Check this ball. Wonder if my dog will be able to play with this. What on earth, this plastic ball, is this doing in the mountain here? Never seen it here. And ladies and gentlemen, this here I think is where I could camp. I will level this out here, set my tent up here. I suspect that people would battle to see me here. That can be done. That's one spot we've identified. One possibility we've identified. Only possibility is if anybody working for a municipality comes walking down this water pipeline, not this broken one, the one that's in working order, this open piece of ground, then they would be able to see me there if they knew where to look. I haven't taken any photos yet. I thought I'm going to have perfect timing in terms of sun and stripes and perfect shades and stuff. Ends up everything is shady. Got a WhatsApp, I'll be back with you. And I'm back. I responded to my WhatsApp. My sister that I love so much has done my shopping. It was with regards to the shopping list. Yeah, we've got this famous little trail, which I don't believe anybody else ever walks. It's more like I created it. Anybody who's followed the amount of times I've walked here will know this place and that it's time to climb down now. But boy, I'm looking out for snakes. I must just be wary this time of the year. Just be wary of snakes. It can't do any harm keeping an eye out for them. One part where I don't want to slip down. Where I don't want to slip down. And definitely more water than last time. No green growth over these white rocks yet, and it's been quite a while since the floods. We'll see how long it takes before they get green like they were before the floods cleaned them up. I have a gut feeling in me. Somebody is staying very close here. I see one guy regularly go up one of our streets, and I know he lives in the mountain. I know that for a fact. And he sands down a piece of wood he finds, makes a walking stick or something out of it, goes and sells it down in town somewhere. So one can say he's trying to make an honest living. I just have no idea what the place looks like where he lives. And I want to know if he is keeping this mountain as clean as it was before he moved in. Sorry, I'm walking over here. I haven't said a word all day until now. And I can't think of anything to say. Unless I find this guy's place. Yeah, we definitely have possibility number 2. Let's go and have a look at it. To stay at. Set up camp. Go up here. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Yeah, I do believe this is where I came and looked at previously. Very, very private here. Let's go and do a bit of X-ray inspection here. Open there too. More open here, in fact. Yellow bucket, out of all places. Somebody's been here before. It will be ages ago. Yeah, there's also a bottle. Somebody's been here before. Clearly, a very long time ago. That is even more secluded from civilization. And the only people that may find my tent there will be people that have been there before and have possibly used it for exactly the same reason as I'm planning on. Tempted to bring some stuff and leave it, hide it at different places. Then, question is my dog. My little Shih Tzu. Not exactly an Alsatian, but a little Shih Tzu. And does he come and camp with me then or not? Finally, maybe at a place where one can take a photo. Well, that's it. And if you've watched this, thank you very much. Thank you for watching it. And like I said, this coming weekend could be very interesting. Nobody's done it. It goes all along parallel with the Outeniqua path and then cuts in to some forest area, and that there you can't see any part of it anymore, at least not from the road. And so nevertheless, that's the part we would obviously want to go and inspect. So thanks for watching this if you have, and hang in there because I haven't disappeared.